Hi, my name is Craig. I'm with Lab Kids, and I'm here at Little Scholars in Ormo, where we just did a show, and we were talking about science. What we were talking about is sound. High sound, low sound, loud and quiet. And so we got the kids to learn how sound travels. That's in waves. And we just had a bit of fun using things that are easily understandable. When we talked about waves with a big slinky, showing how sound travels in waves, Fallen comes back to me. That's what happens. Looked at highs and lows, where we show them a xylophone, and you've got a high sound, a low sound. Then we also, even though they're young kids, we also try to get them thinking about why the sound might be high or low. Based on what you said before, that the smaller is higher and the larger is lower, what should this one do? We did a test where I said to the kids, how does this work? And you suggested I wave it side to side and even really fast, but it doesn't make any noise. And so they had to work out and explain to me that I've got to do it like this. We also worked with a speaker where we demonstrated how sound waves can move objects. Then we tried a few different items that the kids play with right here at the center to see which ones bounce and how they bounce and how various different sizes and shapes of objects interacted with each other. Overall, it was an outstanding success.